If you've been wondering how to remove categories in Steam, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to clean up your Steam preferences, remove unwanted categories or tags, and make your browsing experience a lot more relevant. This is a quick and easy fix, and you do not need any special tools or software to do it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful Steam tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open the Steam store in your browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your username. This will open your account menu with several options. From there, click on Preferences. Steam will take you to your content and browsing settings, where you can control what kind of categories, tags, and content you want to see. Now scroll through the Preferences page until you find sections like Tags to Exclude and Content Preferences. These settings are important because they let you filter out games and categories you do not want showing up in your recommendations or store results. If you see tags that you no longer want included, simply uncheck them. This removes those unwanted categories from your Steam experience and helps tailor the store to your interests. Take your time and review each section carefully so you don't remove anything useful by accident. If there is a save button at the bottom of the page, make sure to click it after making your changes. That way, Steam will keep your updated preferences and apply them the next time you browse the store. Once you've saved everything, your category and tag preferences should now be updated. That means Steam will show you a cleaner, more personalized experience based on the settings you chose, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to remove categories in Steam in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.